All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids. I'm not getting paid.
Okay.
Mr. Casey, a devoted father of 5, is fighting for child support from the children's mother, determined to secure the financial help his family needs. Raising them on his own has been an uphill battle, and he lays out his struggles before the judge listens intently, but soon catches inconsistencies in his story. What unfolds next is a gripping courtroom showdown, exposing the harsh realities of single parenthood and the undeniable power of truth in the justice system.
You want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I got to raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what doesn't like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely. She was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery?
Casey steps up to the stand, painting a vivid picture of his life as the sole caregiver to his 5 children. He stresses the urgent need for financial support from their mother, insisting she was properly served but failed to show up in court. The judge, considering a default judgment, pushes for accurate details on her income to determine child support. But when Mr. Casey fumbles his response, giving conflicting numbers, the judge's skepticism kicks in. What seemed like a straightforward case takes a sharp turn, exposing cracks in his claims and raising serious questions.
Mr. Casey?
Yes, Judge.
Do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time,
Sometimes you get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is wearing thin?
Tension thickens in the courtroom as Judge Vaughna's patience runs out. Mr. Casey, desperate to salvage his case, stumbles through vague guesses about the mother's income. No documents, no proof, just shaky numbers pulled from thin air. The judge's expression turns to stone. She's had enough. Her voice cuts through the silence like a blade. You're asking this court to enforce child support, yet you can't provide a single solid figure? No records, no evidence, just speculation? She doesn't stop there. This isn't a game. This is a court of law. And in my courtroom, honesty and preparation aren't optional. They're the bare minimum. Mr. Casey scrambles to defend himself, but it's too late. The damage is done. With unwavering finality, Judge Vaughna delivers her verdict before. Closing the session, she issues one last biting warning. If you want legal relief, come prepared. Bring evidence serious, or don't come at all. This isn't just a ruling, it's a reality check. In Judge Vaughna's courtroom, the only thing...
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No, well, you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, you came in here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me, and I work hard. And
you know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right, that's cool.
The courtroom atmosphere shifts as Judge Vona commands attention, delivering a hard-hitting reality check that many don't realize until it's too late. With sharp precision, she lays out the truth about default judgments. In Texas, if you're served and don't show up, you've basically handed the other side an automatic win. No defense, no argument, just a ruling in favor of the person who filed. Game over. Judge Vona turns her focus to another critical issue: financial honesty. Inflating, downplaying, or outright lying about income isn't just dishonest. It's a legal time bomb waiting to detonate. You're not just trying to mislead the court, she warns. You're putting yourself in serious legal jeopardy. This isn't just a lesson. It's a wake-up call. Judge Vona strips away the confusion, revealing the hard truths of whether you're seeking child support or trying to avoid it. One thing is certain. In her courtroom, justice runs on facts, not fiction.
Guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial income information on mom.
Gavel slams. The case doesn't just, it delivers a final undeniable truth. Judge Vonda B leans in, her words cutting through any lingering. Winning in court isn't about luck or loopholes. It's about honesty, preparation, and proof. No exceptions, no theatrics, no excuses, just the cold, hard reality. This wasn't just another legal show. It was a wake-up call on how the truth, or the lack of it, can decide your fate in front of a judge. And before the screen fades, the message is crystal clear. Subscribe for unfiltered courtroom drama, real legal lessons, and the raw truth behind. Whether you're fighting your own battle or just watching the game, this is your front row seat to justice in action. Because in the legal world, being ready isn't a suggestion. It's the only strategy that works.